Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be showing equal parts of a whole. Last lesson we went over halves, thirds, and fourths. We're going to go over that again right now, and then we're going to show equal parts on our own. Okay, if you'll look at the purple rectangle, it says you can draw to show equal parts of a whole. We have halves, that's 2 equal parts. We have thirds, 3 equal parts, and fourths, 4 equal parts. And this is just a review from last week. Okay, now we're going to show some examples. We have number 1, it says show halves. So if we're going to show halves, we could either do a line right down the middle or we could do one across. I did a line right down the middle to show halves, 2 equal parts. If you look at number 2, it says show fourths. So we need to show 4 equal parts of this rectangle. For number 2, I did a line across and a line down the middle. That shows 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. For number 3, it says to show thirds. So we have a square right here. We need to show 3 equal parts. Okay, for number 3, I did 2 lines across, and we now have 1, 2, 3 equal parts. Number 4, it says to show thirds again. We now have a rectangle, so we have to show 3 equal parts of this rectangle. Okay, for number 4, I did 2 lines down, but we now have 1, 2, 3 equal parts. Number 5, it says to show halves. We have a square and we need to cut it in half to show halves. I did a line across to show halves. We have 1, 2 equal parts. And number 6, this is the last example I'm going to do with you guys, and I'm going to have you do a few on your own. We have a circle and it says to show fourths. So how many equal parts would be fourths? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. We have a circle. In the circle, I drew a line down and a line across. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. All right, thank you guys for watching. On the next slide, I want you to do a few examples on your own.